Hey guys, hope you all have been well. Welcome back to my channel. On today's video, I wanted to pull out this bad boy, Nude Mood by Colourpop, and do a bronze look where it's sort of like a summer to fall transition. And it's gonna be more of like a talky tutorial, no real setup, no rhyme or reason. We're just gonna sit down and do some makeup. So if that sounds like a fun time to you, I hope you decide to stay tuned because we're gonna get straight into the tutorial. All right, so I got most of my base done. My foundation, one moment, NARS Radiant Longwear Foundation in Sahel, Tatcha Silk Canvas. I'm trying to finish this one up. For my brows, I use the Dip Brow Pomade from ABH in dark brown, and then to fill in the majority of it in the front, Benefit Precisely My Brow Pencil in 3.5. For cream bronzer, I use the Lancome Teint Idole Ultra Makeup Stick in Suede. And then I set my whole face with, where are you buddy? MAC MSF in medium golden. I think that's pretty much everything I have on my face for now. What I have on this eye already done is Bare to Wear, this shade right up here. It's kind of like a very light brown shade. It's almost like a milky brown, if that makes sense. And then we have All Naturale right here. That's gonna go into the crease. I don't know if I said it, this is transition, this is crease. And then for the inner and outer portions of the lid, this is Moody. That's what I'm gonna use to darken up the eye. And then, Lord Jesus help me, I attempted to use a glitter. Yeah, I'm still pretty certain I hate pressed glitter. This is On Heirs. For me, these kinds of glitters can be put on the discontinued list. That's what I'm putting on the center of my lid. Then on the bottom, smoked out, I have Moody. And then the center, right on the center of my lower lash line, I have Lap of Luxe. Is that Lap? Yes, it is. Lap of Luxe, this bronzy shade here. I'm going to use the Riche Kohl pencil from MAC to line my waterline, top and bottom, and then kind of like just smudge it a little bit. And that is what we're going to do for the eye. So let's get started. This is a very simple eye look, but I also know that many people did partake in, purchasing from this collection when it came out. So if you're a neutral lover like myself, then hey, let's trade ideas on how to use this palette. Sans the glitter, because it's such a pain. Oh, that reminds me, I need to put some powder underneath with the All Naturale. Now this type of brown is my kind of brown. I could have this type of shade 17,325 times over. These browns are so delicious. I was gonna do my original setup where I have you opposite side where I'm facing my door, but sometimes when I just want it casual, we can do with just this, This is my mirror. The girl's got issues with her eyes. I got my glasses when I was in, I think it was the 7th grade. And I think I got contacts freshman year or sophomore year of high school. When I first got my glasses, I think I was at a -2. And now I just switch between a -2.25 or a -2.5. It like fluctuates. It goes up and down between there. Doctor says it's not that big a difference. But yeah, it stayed pretty constant for a majority of my life. I just still contemplate the idea of like, hey, why don't I just, get LASIK, wake up and just be like, oh, I can see. I basically can see from very close up. Like if I had to use glasses to read, I would get a headache. I take my glasses off if something is very close because I can see things a lot clearer that way when they're off. But to see something far away, yeah, you could be flicking me off and I would be like, thank you. Okay, now we're gonna attempt the glitter. See how simple that was? Just be careless with it. You can dab a whole bunch of stuff right in the center. So take a bunch of this Patrick powder. Just kind of do one of those. Let's do some more, just for security reasons. All right, fingers are prepared, tissue on hand, put on airs is going to be put on my finger. God bless you. Tap off excess. Yep, I can feel it falling down. I know I could use a glue, but I don't like the way glue looks. Like, you know, like the idea of a cut crease or a halo eye and just like cutting. I don't like the way it looks. I like it to look more blended. So that's why I don't like using the concealer and stuff. Going back with that dark brown Moody shade, clear this up. Made mac and cheese for lunch. Put spinach in it. Does anyone else do that? I like to put spinach in like most of my meals, or like any vegetable. Yesterday I had, what is it in English? What's kangkong in English? A stocky green. I mix that with rice. Some people find it weird. Kind of looks like pig food. But it tastes yummy, and it's a good way to get my greens in. Oh, glitter, you are but a fool. Taking Moody, dark brown again. Tap off excess. I just have this tissue laying on my table, and I'm just tapping excess into it. Lower lash line. And taking that Lap of Luxe brun shade, Bro, what you talking about? Bronze shade, and just applying that on the center. Ooh, look at that. Oh, I just love brown bronze. This is my favorite. Teddy. No, Teddy, not Teddy. It's Costa Riche. That's how much I use Teddy. It's a very rare occasion that I put things in my waterline, so enjoy it whilst it's happening. Look at that. Like, I don't even have to like blend it. It just looks smoky. All right, Queen Bee lashes, because these are getting old. Let's do a clear brush on. Lash glue. At this point, I should be able to tell like quickly off the bat, okay, this is for this eye. No, I have to put it next to my eye and then figure out which side that is. I wasn't supposed to film today, but the house is pretty much empty. And so I said, today is a productive Friday. We gonna film. Well, that was easy. I could be using lashes for, you know, the rest of my life, and I know I'm still gonna struggle with it because it really just depends on the band for me. My eyes are pretty curved, like this way, so having them stick down without the other side lifting is a miracle. Even when I do this trick. While I'm putting this on, guys, I finished the Umbrella Academy. Why does this show do this to me? This show and Last Kingdom, whenever it ends, I'm just like, why are you doing this? Are you trying to let me suffer? Is this because of the sins I've committed as a young adult? Not many, but you know, still. I really shouldn't be using this mirror because I'm probably blinding you, huh? Sorry, let me get the other one. Haha! Let me let that set for a little bit and do my Fosse. You know, I haven't whipped out Casino in a little while, so let's do NARS's Casino. Get my tissue ready to blot, blot, blot. Contour bronze. Because technically I'm not contouring in the sense of like the color, but the placement is like where you would place contour. So contour bronze, there we go. This is my favorite step. You guys, if you've been here, you know I love bronzing, blush, and highlighter. I could probably just do like, if there was a wedding party, you just come to me to do that section. I'd be fine if you didn't want me to do your eyeshadow, but give me your face so that I can do the other stuff. Blush. Eternal Sun is, I think this is still available, so I'm going to use it. From MAC. It's so good with bronze looks. Oh, I love blush. God, I just want to own all the blush in the world. You know, just simple dream. Oh my gosh, I totally forgot to contour my nose. Back to Casino. back to reality. So simple. I've had a couple people ask me before what brush I use to contour my nose with, and if you're interested, Hakuhodo J22OG BKSL. Not sure what it means, but I'm sure of what it does, and what it does is contour my nose well. Highlighter. Tom Ford Skin Illuminating Duo in Moodlight. What I do is I dip it into both, and then Magique. See, like I don't have to worry about, ooh, let me dust it off like I have to with a Juvia's Place one. See, look at how pretty that look. Ooh, yes, beautiful. I almost decluttered this, and then I said, no, it's expensive, and I'm glad I remembered that because it's beautiful. Mascara. On its last leg, guys, Artistry Studio Lash Boosting 3-in-1 Mascara. I use it in the long form, and I apply mascara solely for the purpose of like joining my natural lashes to the false ones, and not so much to like coat the false lashes. I don't like putting mascara on the lower lash line, but I feel like I have to because I use false lashes. I think it looks better. Sometimes I think my lower lashes are too long to put mascara on it. I mean, my lashes aren't long and beautiful. It's just the lower ones. I wish all of them just transferred to the top. Okay, Fix Plus and a spongy. And then we'll do the lips. The lower bottom. Fix Plus, you're a dream. ASMR. Sponge taps. Coming together. I don't have any more lip gloss, and from all my previous videos, I would say the past 4 or 5, I've used just a tint every single time because I don't have gloss. But today I think we're gonna try a matte lip. Cork lip liner, tried and true. Love you, baby boo. Technically I don't need this because I'm using a liquid lipstick. I guess we'll kind of ombre it. Whatever. You hear that? My mom's getting mad at someone on the phone. You better watch out. That's an island woman right there. Dose of Colors. I was hitting it like it was a pack of cigarettes, but Dose of Colors, knock on wood. This is on the chopping block, but I just really like the color and how it works to brown up my other lipsticks. Like, it's pretty. Look. I just don't use it a lot. If I had lip gloss, it would be so much better. I still do it. Ta-da! Here we have the final makeup look. Guess we can do a little montage. So I hope you enjoyed me posing ridiculously by myself in my room in my house clothes. But I really do hope that you enjoyed the video. If you have this eyeshadow palette, pull it out, maybe try out the look, see how you like it. These are just some of my favorite looks to do. So there's a lot of happiness involved. Just beware of pressed glitters. A full list of products will be listed down below in the description box. I'll also be posting this on Instagram, where I post all of my makeup looks, where I put up a photo of the makeup look along with all the products in the caption. The products. Till the next video, I hope you all are doing well, taking great care of yourselves. I will see you all next time. Bye, guys. Do I look extra orange? Guys, I can't see. I look fine from my viewfinder, and sometimes when I put it on the computer, I just look like a Cheeto.